Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're showcasing some of the most intense moments on the road. From serious collisions to near misses, each video is shared for educational purposes, aiming to raise awareness about traffic safety. We do not promote violence or reckless behavior. Watch, learn, and always remember, driving safely is a responsibility we all share.
That truck took the turn way too fast. High center of gravity plus speed is a recipe for rollover, especially impacting stop traffic. Classic left turn misjudgment. Oncoming traffic is often closer or faster than it appears. When in doubt, wait it out. Blatant red light run by the pickup. Even with a green light, always scan the intersection before entering. Defensive driving matters. High-speed instability. Whether it was an unsafe lane change or losing traction, sudden movements in traffic are extremely risky. Stunting on public roads is asking for trouble. Wheelies belong on a closed course, not in traffic at night. Failing to yield when entering traffic. Always ensure the path is clear before pulling out from a stop. Intersection T-bones are violent. This highlights why obeying traffic signals and checking cross traffic is critical. Tunnels amplify danger, reduced visibility, no escape routes. Maintaining speed and safe following distances are crucial. Unsafe lane change. Didn't check the blind spot. Always look over your shoulder before moving over. Hydroplaning. Hitting standing water at speed is like driving on ice. Slow down significantly before the puddle. Another intersection collision, likely due to running a red light or failing to yield properly. Patience is key. Never, ever cut off a large truck and then brake hard. They simply cannot stop in time. Give them plenty of space. Following too close or distracted driving. Delivery vehicles make frequent stops. Anticipate this and leave space. Sudden impacts like that, possibly road debris. Always scan far ahead down the road, especially in less than ideal conditions. Aggressive driving or unsafe lane changes can easily lead to losing control, especially if there's contact. Keep it cool. Basic intersection failure. Either didn't see the other vehicle or ignored the traffic control device. Rear-ended. Keep a safe following distance and pay attention to the flow of traffic ahead. Assume cars will stop. Another catastrophic left turn failure. And always wear your seatbelt. That ejection is horrific proof why. Wet conditions amplify mistakes. Running a light or misjudging speed is even more dangerous when traction is low. Basic intersection rules broken again. Stop on red, yield when required. It's not complicated, but requires attention. Trucks can't stop on a dime. Pulling out in front of one, even if you think you have time, is incredibly risky. Blind spots are real. Mirror, signal, shoulder check before changing lanes every single time.
Thank you for watching until the very end. If you found this video informative or eye-opening, please give it a like to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos. We'll continue to share real-life traffic incidents to help raise awareness and promote safer driving habits. Stay safe out there and see you in the next video.